I don't think I recall seeing a tutorial on how to remove an S13 240sx steering wheel, but my steering wheel was crooked, so I just straightened it up.
I believe I can see the future as I repeat the same routine. I think I used to have a purpose.
It's very simple. You do not have to peel off your horn cover. I still have mine, and a fully operational horn. This back side of this piece actually just clips in. 2 tongs with pressure here, 2 tongs with pressure here, and it also has a little tooth right here that slides into this guy, who's just like an alignment clicker arm, so to speak. I just simply pulled it off. My horn still works, so this tab here simply went onto this little nub. That's how it gets power for the horn to work. And I pulled this off at first thinking that's where to start, and there's actually just a feeler pad there, and it literally honked the horn about 37 times trying to just get this off. That is not how you get it off. Just pull the whole thing off and try to pull it symmetrically. Then once you get it off, try to lift up, because that will lift this tooth out of that clip. That being said, put some pressure on this. I believe this is a 3/4, or you can convert that to millimeters if you would like. And what a lot of people say to do is to back the nut up until like the last 3 threads. Go ahead and shake your steering wheel until it pops off the threads, and then simply move it and pop it back on and kerplow. I don't have an aftermarket steering wheel, but I'm anal, and I hate a crooked wheel when you're driving straight, because even though it's a badass race car, it doesn't look badass if you're driving down the street like this. So that's fixed. I just did the and you can hear clunking because I need tie rods and stuff, but we don't care about that right now. Make sure you see the video for the camber adjustment and the string for doing your toe. We just got done doing the toe. That being said, this is how you remove the steering wheel if you want to. You simply undo this bolt, which I've already straightened my wheel, but it's already loose. You just, pop it back on if you want to, or take it off, and this is where you would slide a new steering wheel on, etc., or a hub, whatever have you. And basically that's how you take off a steering wheel for a S13 Nissan 240sx. It's not very complicated, and it works. And again, I have a fully operational S13. I kind of like this steering wheel. It's not tattered at all. It's almost like someone replaced it. I mean, this does not look very 91. Like the steering wheel isn't torn up at all. So I don't have a whole large reason to go get one now. I'm going to drive down the road first, and before I put everything back together, and make sure that when I'm going straight down the road, the steering wheel is in fact perfect and not cocked just a little bit. We set the toe. Now the toe should be good. That's a separate video. If you want to go look at it, I'll leave the end link up for you at the end of this video, so you can watch me adjusting the toe manually at my house for free in about 15-20 minutes with some string and a jack. And it is way better now. I had to come out the wheel out this way about 1 inch, and like I said before, it was just like pointing that way, and it was just all bad. But that is how to remove your steering wheel on your S13 240. The only ones I've seen are majorly S14 240s. I don't think I've seen one at all that's an S13, but I didn't dig super hard to find it. I might be wrong. Comment down below if you know where one is, or you like this video, or whatever. If this video helped you out, give me a big thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I do have the 240. I have the Titan. I have the Bass Boat over yonder, and then I have the Harley Nightster. So if you like any of these, make sure you subscribe. I do videos at least once or twice a week now that I'm working full time. If the click gets big enough, I'll start putting out more, and we'll go from there. For the time being, I will leave it with 9-inch nails. Thank you for watching. Do it for the people. Subscribe and hit that like button. Propel me in the algorithm. Bye-bye.